Greetings there, landlubber. Why do I use pirate lingo? I have no idea. Why am I wearing a pirate? I have no idea that too. Anyway, I heard that you have a new PC going on here. Seriously, I can't really talk like a pirate. So yeah. Congratulations on finally getting a decent PC that you can play a lot more games with now. But congratulations is just my first intent. Now remember why I'm a pirate? Now this is my second reasons to actually. I have no idea. Wait, what's my script there? Alright. Oh yeah, ransom note. Okay. The reason that I'm here that is actually after hearing the news about the PCs going on. I'm here to create a ransom. Well, not create a ransom. Collect the ransom. So here's the ransom. I am holding your life duty model as a hostage. So if you do want your life duty model here and want it that badly, here comes the. Usually, how much people ask for ransom for life duty characters? 2,000? I didn't even spend much time on it. 500? 200? Now that's just a little bit too low. Then I shall ask for the price for your no idea. Your new PC, I guess. Joke aside. Here you go. You just have to after watch like this. All you have to do is just respond to the video and then yes, I'll DM you your model later. Happy new PC day! Bye. So, you don't believe what I'm saying is true or not, huh? Here's some preview for that.
Ay, 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 ay.